Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a video directed at new users to Vegas Pro. So if you're brand new to Vegas Pro, this is for you. Okay, so with Vegas up and running, select Project Media tab. Click Import Media. Find your video on your drives. You're going to click this video. Hold the control key down in this video. Open. Now you can drag and drop them to the line, or you can actually just double click and that will put them on the timeline. And this one is yes. And next one. There you go. Now there's two different ways you can trim your videos. You can just use that S key, split, and delete it. Or you can grab on that video and just drag to where you want it to start. Okay, we're going to do a little bit on crossfades now. Alright, so we're doing a crossfade. Here we have a video here. Let me play it back. Let me mute the volume here. This is sharp. This is a hard transition, and we don't want that. So do it. The easiest transition is a crossfade. Now if you note the numbers here, that's how long the crossfade is. So let's play this back. And gives you a nice transition into the next video. Let's get rid of that. If you're wondering about what all these buttons are, if you click these three buttons here, edit visible button set, show all, and all your buttons will be at your fingertips. Same with audio, and the same with the preview window. Okay, so let's do, another thing you can do is when you're doing your editing, you can use the scroll wheel on the mouse, and that will show, it just helps you your workflow a lot better, zooming in and zooming out with the mouse. It's really quick. So let's create another transition here. Let's go to transitions, and let's try this one here. Drag and drop this. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so that's that part. Okay, now the preview window here. I have mine set to good auto. And if you set it higher, if you have set it to good best, or good full, I should say, best full, that will give you the exact same quality as the output of the video. And this, whatever happens in here, it does not matter. It does not affect your rendered video. This is just for previewing it while you're editing. So it's best to have it cut down to, say, good auto, depending how fast your computer is. So you can see the video degrade a bit, but it's not going to affect the output of video, the rendered video at all. Also, to add titles, right click, insert video track, right click, insert text media, just call this test. Adjust the font size here. Change the color. And while it's open, you can drag it to anywhere you want. Okay, let's do a render. With file, make sure you save your files, your video projects all the time. Save them. So we're going to do an export. So I have render. And here we go. This is important. You want Magic's AVC AAC MP4. That's the format you want to export. Your render, sorry. So here mine's 1080p. This is my video card here. So I select this for 29 frames per second. You can go as high as 59 frames a second as well. And you'll see two options: one without the video card, one with the video card. Makes it just a little bit faster using the video card. And then you're done. If you found the video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, Patreons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friend, Benjamin R. Price. Your name can be here too. Link below.